here's our continuation on our commission, sales tax, interest flips from today. So we were working on the Weston problem. We're just going to do part of it right now. Weston wants to buy a new tractor and is planning ahead. He has a lot of money saved, but he needs to come up with $900 to stick with his 3-year plan. If he deposits $5,000 in an account that pays him an interest of 5%, will he have enough money to purchase the $5,900 tractor? So over here you can see that I've done I equals PRT, and I set up interest equals 5,000 because that's the principal, that's what he's investing. 5% is 0.05 times 3 is the 3 years. And if you just multiply all that together, you'll get $750. So he will not have enough with that $5,000 investment. So tomorrow we'll talk about minimum whole dollar amounts that he needs to reach that goal. And there's a couple different ways we can get to that. Taking a look at sales tax. So sales tax is 6.25%. Find the tax you will pay on a bill that's $125. And then you're going to find the total cost. So with sales tax, just like with interest rate, we need to change it to a decimal. So we're going to move the decimal point twice. So 6.25% becomes 0.0625. And you'll just take 125 and multiply it by 0.0625. And you will get 7.8125. And remembering that this is money, so we're just going to worry about the $7.81 because that 2 isn't going to do anything. And then simply just add it back to the original. If you look at any receipts that you get or your parents might get, that's all they're going to do is add it back to the original. And you'll end up owing $132.81. There's a last question on this page is you went shopping and you bought some shoes, some socks, and some shorts. Find the sales tax if it's 7% and find the total cost. You should see the sales tax is $8.82 and the total cost is $134.79. This last part here is on commission. Commission is the extra part of your salary. Realtors, real estate, retail salespeople, and other sales-oriented positions pay commission. It's in addition to your base salary, which is what you would earn if you came to work and did nothing else. So your base salary is just you go into the office and you sit there and you don't do anything. Eventually, you'd probably lose your job, but it's your base. It's what you're going to get. So here's the sales clerk at Brooks Brothers. He works off commission. His base salary is $15,000, but he earns 3% additional on his sales. So if he sells $120,000 in merchandise this month, how much extra did he earn? So over here, you can see that I did a let statement. So I did let X equal sales. So here's the base salary. I actually did more than what I was supposed to because I didn't read the question. And the question just asked how much extra did he earn? Extra. So all I need to look at is his sales right here. And it's going to be 3% of the $120,000, and multiplying 0.03 times $120,000 is the extra $3,600. So he gets an extra $3,600, and if that's all he did for the entire year, he would just be making $18,600. So I did a little bit more. I was getting excited about these word problems. So what's circled in blue would be your final answer. The last one, though, here is the car salesman at the Porsche dealership in Fairfield earns $25,000 a year, plus 2.5% commission on his sales. If his sales for the year were $1.25 million, how much did he earn for the year? Now, these cars are expensive. So he's getting $25,000 plus 0.025 of his sales. So multiplying these two numbers here, you get $31,200. Adding that to his base salary will get him his yearly salary, which goes here. And then taking a look at the final question, which is a little bit dark down here. If he wants to buy a 2014 Porsche Cayenne, any model, do you think he'll be able to afford it? Justify your answer. So how are you going to figure that out? Look on the internet. See how much a Porsche Cayenne cost. It's last year's model, or 2 years ago. So check it out and see if he'll be able to afford it on his meager salary of $56,250. Tomorrow we will be doing lots of practice problems in class. Please bring a calculator.